Ah, that new palette smell. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back with another BH Cosmetic review and tutorial. So today we're going to be talking about is the Blueberry Muffin palette. I'm giving you guys two looks today because I cannot choose one. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below and hit that notification button while you're down there as well. If you guys want to get both of these looks, stay tuned. So guys, we're gonna have another mini girl chat. I just wanted to actually talk about the seasons changing because I believe now in Texas, I feel like we're officially in fall. I feel like it is finally has risen. So less bugs. I like how the weather is right now, still walkable. You can still walk outside, short sleeves. I still don't mind that. But I know this is just the beginning. I know it's going to get insane and I don't want that. I really don't want that, but I do love to see the trees change and when the sky gets that gloomy kind of look. I love that look. I just don't like the other thing that comes with it. You know, the storms and the freezing and the cold and the rain and all that extra stuff. I don't like that part. So I am excited for all the drinks and all the desserts that are going to be coming out. To me, it's officially Halloween weather. It's ooky spooky weather right now because I am getting in the mood. Y'all about to see some stuff on this channel. Because if no one knows this channel, I love me some ooky dooky Halloween autumn kind of feel to it. I really like when the weather does change. I feel like things calm back down. I feel like people calm back down. Some people need to relax. But I love it. I like when it's nice and cooler. And I like when just calming things down. You snuggle inside more and then you put on more candles, the heat. I love it. I love the snuggle situation that fall brings. And then of course all the desserts are always it's always a plus in my opinion. I can't wait for the new makeup that's gonna come out for around Halloween and Christmas. I can't wait to see what pops up because, you know, during the summertime, they did pretty well in the summertime during COVID and everything now. They did pretty good of showing still good makeup. I am very curious to see now for the holidays, how they're gonna step it up. Always fun seeing the weather change before it starts to get crazy. But that's my little mini girl chat. Okay. hope you guys enjoyed the tutorials. I actually love this palette. I'm not surprised. It's BH Cosmeticals. I'm not surprised at all. But with this palette, I believe it does retail $18 like the rest of them. I believe I did use a coupon. I got mine from Ulta because I was waiting to see. It's very cool tone, so I'm like, I don't know if I don't like it. Has a lot of blues and purples, very violet, indigo, all of that different range of whatever you want to call purple is, or that darker blue. This palette is very, very cute. I wish it smelled like blueberry, like some kind of fruity something. I wish it did. I don't know why. I like this palette a lot. It's going to be very, very worn out, especially during January, especially during Christmas time. I love the nice grays and blues it gives me. So this palette alone and it has a holographic in there as well. Has a holographic finish. Ooh, 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 ooh. Love that. And this is part of the weekend vibes, by the way, as well. So I wonder why they decided to say, okay, we're gonna do that one after the two bright ones. So I guess they were saying since it's fog and cooler, we'll throw the cooler tone one. So is there gonna be another one? I want one more then, because you gave us two bright, colorful ones and you gave us one of these so far. So I'm gonna need the other one as well. With this palette, you do get 16 colors in this cute palette. I'm gonna go on to my favorite shades. My favorite shades actually was Treat, which is that gray color. I loved Cheat Day, and I actually liked So Good, but it's two other colors I loved. I loved Crumble and Sweet, what I used on the inner corner. With this look, I like the inner corner of Crumble and Sweet. Let me see, this is Sweet and Crumble. These two together with that pinky kind of salmon skin tone kind of color I used, this with that is just beautiful on the eye. I'm gonna wear that tomorrow and just let it blend out and put like a little brown in there. That was so pretty how it melted together. The way it melted into that pink, that salmon, it's so pretty. That one is Treat, Cheat Day, and So Good. That gray was popping. I remember, guys, I told y'all I don't like taupe, but I love me some grays though. I ain't got no problem with gray. Those are just so pretty. And then Cheat Day was like that neon violet indigo. Like, it's so good. Those two, the browns, they blended out perfect with that first look. Of course, they're very blendable. It's BH Cosmetics. Shimmers. Now, the one thing is with the shimmers, I like the lighter ones, like the one I use, Sugar. And then let's go into Tempting. Oh, they like that word. That was in another palette. Those. Woo! See that black one, when I did the first look, you guys didn't get to see it as much, but it is beautiful. It is like matte black with purple and rose gold shimmer. Looks really like purple glitter in there though. Can you see? It looks blue on camera, but I swear it's purple in there and a little bit of gold. It's so pretty. Oh. So out of the 16 colors, all that I used, let me see. I used all top 3 rose for both looks. So I used all 3 of these. The only one I didn't use on my eye is this one. Sugar all over the eye with a nice like soft, natural, long, curly lash. Ooh. I do believe this is worth the $18, or even one little discount, 10%, $3.50 off, whatever way you get it. I think it is worth it because this was just, it was just so good. I'm like, I cannot believe this. This palette is really actually good. Like, because I thought, okay, the browns are gonna look good, the lighter shimmers, but I don't know about all the extra like violet, indigo. I said, I don't know. And then that fluffy shade, the kind of peachy nude salmon color, I was like, I don't know how it's gonna go, but I really like this palette. Just like any other one, I should have known it's gonna be good. So from now on, I'm like, it's probably gonna be good. If it's bad, I'm like, woo, I'd be surprised, but I don't think it'll be bad. These are so good, and they blend out like what our palette is going to be. My January palette for sure. One thing, BH Cosmetics, I don't have to worry. I don't have to worry with this brand. Every time I get them, I'm just like, it's pigmented. It's gonna work. I just gotta figure out how I want it to look. So yeah, guys, I would recommend people grab this palette. Even if this is the last of the weekend vibes that they give you, I would say grab it. That was my review over the BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin Palette. So hopefully there is more, because I want more from the weekend vibes. Thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and hit the notification button while you're down there. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.